How to fix you don't have permission to perform this operation when running group policy on Windows. 1. Verify that you logged in with an administrator account. 2. Change the account type to administrator via NetWiz. 3. Try opening group policy with command prompt. Command, edit. 4. Enter %system root %system32/gp edit.dll into the default string at computer back. Create a new user account. 6. Reset gpedit.msc, local group policy editor. Command, rd/s/q%windir%system32 /group policy users and rd/s/q%windir%system32 /group policy.